I think a lot of content creators are making the same mistake with their community posts that I was making with my videos. They're random. One day it's a selfie, one day it's a motivational quote, the next it's a screenshot of our analytics. And then we wonder why YouTube doesn't understand our audience. And after analyzing my channel, I realized one thing. Well, if random videos confuse YouTube, random community posts probably do too. So for the next 7 days, I'm running an experiment. Not one post, not two posts, 21 community posts. And they're all designed to support my niche. And I want you to do it with me. And today, I'm going to give you the exact format, and I'm going to show you exactly how to schedule everything in advance. A few weeks ago, I discovered something that I probably should have known a long time ago. You can schedule community posts. And I know that some of you are laughing like, I can't believe that she didn't know that. I've known that forever. But based on the comments that I get on this channel, a lot of people didn't know that. It's just like that DM button. People can't use features that they don't know exist. So before we get into the challenge, I want to show you exactly where and how you can pre-schedule your community posts.
From inside the YouTube app, hit the plus symbol at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you have done shorts or lives from your phone, you might be in the live or the short mode, and you might have to scroll in order to reach the post. If you are adding a photo, go ahead and select the photo that you would like to add, and then type in the post. Once you have completed typing in the post, hit the 3 buttons in the middle of the screen. You do have the option of selecting public or channel members only. You want to go ahead and select schedule, and from there select the date. Once you've selected the date, select your time and hit OK. And from there, go ahead and select done and hit schedule. And just like that, you have scheduled a post. Now, if you would like to see that scheduled post, go to your channel, hit channel view, go to posts, and from there you can select scheduled, and you can see all of your scheduled posts.
Now don't get it twisted. This challenge is not just about posting. This challenge is about planning, because anyone can just create one post, but creating 21 posts that all support your niche, that takes skill. So if you're a cooking content creator, all of your posts should support cooking or food. If you're a travel content creator, all of your posts should support some sort of travel theme. Even if you're a live stream content creator, you should be pre-thinking about what you're going to talk about on your lives. And you should replicate those kind of topics into your community post. Or maybe there's a topic that you're thinking about discussing on your live. Use your community post as a way to poll your audience and see what they want. The goal is to help YouTube understand exactly who your audience is. Because if YouTube doesn't understand who your content is for, how can it recommend it to the right people? So I created a 7-day community post challenge, 21 posts, polls, images, quizzes, questions. Everything is completely mapped out, and all you have to do is add your niche. And the reason why I did it this way is because I want to make sure that we are incorporating the full suite of community post options that YouTube has to offer. That way we can look at the full scope of analytics. And I already have all of my posts pre-scheduled. And I need for you to get started too. And it shouldn't take long. So what you want to do first is go ahead and grab the PDF. It's in the detailed description of the video, and it's 100% completely free. And if you have any problems downloading it, feel free to shoot me an email, and I'll go ahead and send you a copy of the PDF over straight away. Now, like I said, planning shouldn't take you a ton of time. All you have to do is drop your niche into the designed community post settings, and you should be able to run through and schedule all of your community posts, I would say, in about an hour, maybe two if it's something that's new to you. And then the next thing, I want to know if you're planning on participating. And if you are, I want to help you support your metric of growth. So right here, you're going to see, and I did it from my handset because I know a lot of you guys use your handsets. So I wanted for you guys to be able to see exactly where you can go to switch it to 7 days and show just where you currently are sitting with your community post from a 7-day view. So that when we go back and review it in 7 days, you can see if you had growth. So go ahead and go through each of the metrics. The impressions, do a screenshot. Do the likes, do a screenshot. And then do a screenshot of your subscribers as well. And I'm not going to ask you to do anything that I wouldn't do. So here are my metrics. And I'm also going to post them on my community board too, so that you can hold me accountable. I'd love to hear, are you going to participate in this 7-day community post challenge? Let me know in the comment section below. And what metric are you most excited about working on? Schedule your posts, follow the challenge, and then come back and tell me what happened. Did you increase your engagement? Did you get more subscribers, more comments? How did your audience respond? Because at the end of this challenge, we're not looking for opinions, we're looking for results. My name is Tiff. This is My Take. Be blessed, have a blessed day, but most importantly, do what you can to bless someone else's day.
Crown steady, heart pure gold.